even if money can't necessarily buy happiness, having a bit more of it is always great. The typical paycheck normally goes directly towards the basics, such as purchasing food, paying bills, or even setting aside money for a down payment on your first house. After you divide your earnings from your 9-to-5 job, there won't be much left over to treat yourself with, right? However, a home-based side hustle is the game changer that will surely improve your finances while granting you the freedom you've always desired. Welcome to Make Money Online Super Fast, where I'll be showing you various ways to earn online super fast. But before we continue, make sure to hit the bell button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. In today's video, we will share with you the side hustles for beginners in 2023. Making a little more cash on the side to advance toward your financial objectives faster is the main purpose of a side hustle. It's more important to develop a passion, interest, or talent into a lucrative side business that you can perform in the evenings at home after your usual 9-to-5 job, instead of taking up another part-time job. I'm sure you'll be exhausted if you end up doing that. Nevertheless, you shouldn't worry, as I've got you covered. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the 3 easiest side hustles in 2023 you can start as a beginner. Are you in a rush? Then let's begin. The first side hustle for you is flipping money. But what does flipping money mean? Spending a little cash to make a lot more is known as flipping money. Even though it would seem impossible, you could turn the $20 you spend into $200 in only one day. The numbers don't lie. It's absolutely possible. But before proceeding to its various methods, you should be aware that not all money flipping methods are legal. In both online and offline, there are still a variety of illegal money flipping techniques that you may find, and scammers will continue to do so. Because they won't pay off your investment, you must avoid using these unlawful tactics at all costs. Instead, they will just spend all of your money. But don't worry, we're not going to do that. We would never break any laws, nor take advantage of anyone. We're just going to make money. I have 3 legal methods to share with you. Number 1 is flipping money with Amazon FBA. This seems incredibly complicated, and although it sometimes is, it may also be. Making money with Amazon FBA is when you buy things for cheap online and then sell them on Amazon for a greater price. You only oversee the initial purchase of the products and then offer them for sale. You don't keep any inventory or ship anything. You must have a keen sense of what sells well and act swiftly when you discover the perfect product. The practice of creating your own goods and selling them on Amazon is known as white labeling. The item is ordered from a manufacturer who then sends it to an Amazon warehouse where you offer it for sale. If you have a great new product that will sell well, this is fantastic. But there is still a risk involved. Number 2 is investing real estate and flipping. Real estate flipping doesn't require you to purchase a rundown house. Alternatively, you may purchase shares online. The good thing about this method is that it requires low investment and less time. You can use an online investment platform like Fundrise that allows you to start investing for an amount as low as $10 and get a bonus of $10 in shares. Of course, when terms applied. Note that 1% of your investment will be charged to fees. To be part of their real estate portfolio, you can sign up on their website, which only takes a few minutes. Number 3 is by flipping websites. You will purchase a poor website, make improvements to it, and then sell it to make a profit. Among the 3 methods I've previously stated, which of them would you want to immediately try? Comment down below what you have chosen. Our second side hustle will allow you to make money in a short period of time. This side hustle is what we call print on demand. It is a profitable online business strategy since it eliminates the need for self-inventory and shipping. In other words, the printing companies will handle everything. The print-on-demand companies will take care of order fulfillment on your behalf. In addition to selling items such as t-shirts and hoodies, you can use print-on-demand to offer phone cases, shower curtains, bags, tote bags, coffee mugs, canvas prints, and many more. You can even utilize print-on-demand to launch your own brand. To get started, you need to use a website like Printify that will help you print your designs and deliver them to your customers. The great thing about Printify is that you may set up stores on various online marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, Shopify, and more. Plus, you will be able to have their print-on-demand service for free. And if you upgrade to a premium plan, you'll receive discounts on all of your orders of up to 20%. Sounds good, doesn't it? Note that when utilizing Printify, you must first establish a store and select the marketplace where you want to sell. Once your store is set up, you can choose from a variety of clothing options to upload your designs to. Numerous unique products and a range of delivery choices are available. Another good thing about this side hustle, you don't have to be a professional designer or have any prior experience. You can use a website like Canva to help you create designs in an easy way. How much can you earn from this? Assuming that you make one sale per day, you can make a profit between $5 to $8 in just one day. If we do the math, you can probably make $150 to $240 in a month, which is mostly now a passive income. Do you think you can give this side hustle a shot? Type a big yes in the comment box below if you think you can. After all, you don't need anything complicated to get started, and I'm sure that you can do it. Now for the third side hustle idea you can start in 2023, we have selling digital products online. Selling digital products is one of the easiest ways to earn passively while staying at home. Why? Because once your product is created, you can now sell it repeatedly. Online courses, ebooks, and digital printables and templates are just some examples of digital products you can sell online. To get started, you must first decide what kind of digital product you want to create and sell. From there, you need to identify whom your target market will be. It is best to give your time and effort in creating a product whose sales are sure. Furthermore, you need to choose a product that will be both profitable and valuable. Next thing you need to do is decide how you will sell them. You can build an online store and sell them through your own website, or sell your products on an established online marketplace like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. Selling digital products online can make you earn from hundreds to thousands of dollars in a month or in just a few weeks, depending on the sale you've made. Are you ready to earn extra cash? You can try the method of flipping money, print on demand, or selling digital products online. Either way, you can have the financial freedom you longed for. If you have any questions in mind, feel free to scribble them down below in the comment section, and we'll be more than happy to answer them all for you. Thank you for sticking up with me until the very end. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. See you in our next video as we continue to chase money. Peace out and be good.